What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Still trading here, guys. Still trading. Trying to focus in here. Been trading I and Tiva at the same time. Don't want Tiva to come back on me here. Might have to just take a little profit. Make sure I get paid here. What am I up on this? Alright, I'm gonna pay myself a little bit here. It bounced a little bit there. Still hasn't broken the support there on Tiva. I'm going to move Tiva to the top stock for you to watch. It's going to be this top stock over here. My entry on Tiva is 2104. 2104. Just really battling here, guys. Just battling today. Was down for a little while and just really stayed in here. Used my weekly risk and was able to battle here. Been trying to get these 80s for Tiva, but it hasn't cracked down through these 90s. I want to see this crack down. There you go, crack down there. I have an order out to fill at 81 here. 81. Next move down here, it's over here to 74, 80s. On I already secured a lot of my profit there, guys. I'm up 71 in at 33.07 here. 33.07. Was risking up above here, this 33.13 here. I'm actually going to set a stop on the rest of this. Don't want this to come back to my number. We'll leave it break even. Just put the stop out there. If it does get above 6, it'll stop me out there. Stopped out there, guys. I'll take that nice $72 gain. It's really not even a bad spot to short again here, but I'm not going to go ahead and short there. I'm just going to let this go. This one keeps trying to break 90, 90, 90. Can't get above it. So we're going to take off 100 shares here. Make sure we get paid here on this stock no matter what. Just make it a winning trade. Take some off there. Now I've got $13 realized. Now I can let this stock get to the supports now. I'm going to move this stock up here, guys, Tiva. So you guys see the trade here, guys. This is what I've been trading, guys. A VWAP fade here. Faded late in the trade, late in the day. Just trying to go ahead and focus in here. Play this play. If it gets above, I don't want to see it get above this 21 here. I want it to kind of hold here and then come fading down underneath here. Break down these lows here, guys. Let's see if we get this move. Just really battling today and just staying focused. One of the great things of Tuesday is I have all day to trade. So I stayed in the market, paid attention, was able to capitalize here. Alright, guys, watching this right here, this next level I'm going to attack, guys. We can attack the 83 level, or we can go all the way down to the daily low of 2072s. I'm trying to see the volume is going to get in here. I got some big shorting volume there. 160,000 shares going through there at 2097 there. And then at 90, it was added right back. So big traders in this trade right here. 88s, 89s here. Let's see what happens. Like I said, guys, I'm in here at 2104. Got in right above here. Right about there was my entry. Risking off of this. I used this old prior support to really use more of my risk here. Looking for this to fade down, get down to these levels here. This is the first attempt that I could get to, but since I already took some profit, I'm probably going to look for these moves down to this 72, 73 area. We don't want to see a bounce here. We want to see it come down underneath here. It's been consolidating for way too long there in the 80s. We want it to come down and start breaking down towards these 80s. Alright, looking heavy here. There you go. There's 85s there, guys. Share size coming in there, guys. Share size coming in. $83s is the next stop. 83 next stop. I want to see how it reacts in that level. Alright, there's Tiva breaking down here. Trying to get this move down here. Sorry to interrupt, guys. Just want to go ahead and pull up the chat just in case anybody's in the chat room. What's up, Adley? What's going on, man? Alright, guys, just watching this Tiva trade here, guys. Would like this to come down here to these 80s so I could take some more profit. I already secured 100 shares of the 300 share position that I got in here. I'm already in the green here as I made a good trade on I after it rejected the highs 2 or 3 times. Just looking to get above here and really hold. If it holds this, holds these 90s, 21s is what I don't really want it to go back over. You can accept the move to 96, but after that we wanted to reject after 96, not get up there to those 21s. Right now that's where my stop out is right now, above 21s. Hey, how you doing, Phoenix? Hey, if you prefer watching me trade alone, you can always join and get the pro mentorship, and with that you have access to me and John's screen. This way you could see me trade on an everyday basis. You can always do that and join there. See me trade every day, and I don't mind working with you on a one-on-one basis if that's what you need. Me and John are just trying to give you guys the best value that we can, and the only reason I came on live streaming today is that I want to verify my gains and losses for today. You guys saw the losses on ITUB, on beginner trading site and channel, but now I've traded I'm trading Tiva, and I'm just trying to verify these gains for you guys so that I can keep going with my winning streak. We're going to be running now on 8 days to this win streak. Definitely got a little emotional today. Had some misses on AMRN. Had some misses on that stock. As you see, it's back up there by the VWAP, and definitely made a good move. This stock was one that I was really watching, guys. Just missed it by a little bit. All right, Tiva, good move there, guys. Good rejection there, guys. Didn't move up at all. It just kind of rejected there. 88s. We're getting this down, up, down 2, up 2, down 3, up 3. Here in this 88, 89 area. Looking to go ahead and add to this position here, as I think this is going to break down here, guys. I'll take an add up here, anywhere in the 90s to 94. Hey, no worry, Phoenix. Like I said, if you can go ahead and learn from watching me trade, I put up my streams every now and then, put up recaps. Look forward to channel a separate section in beginner trading where you guys can see my trade reviews every day, and you can always learn from our nightly classes also. As we approach that next support level, guys, we're going to watch for this breakdown of these 83s and making this move into the 70s here. Just want to see a rejection of 94 here. Rejection of 94 and then coming right back down to these 88s, 87 area. If it rejects 90, it looks really good. Here comes those 90s. Look at the level 2s, the time and sales, guys. MBEV. Yeah, I mean that one just looked good on the daily, guys, for it to really crash. Under 6 looks good, interesting right now. What I would say is, let me take a little bit closer look. I think that one might have a bounce before it really fades. It's too tight in that $6 range. You would have to have at least a 609 so you can risk to this 620. If you do take it here, you have to risk off of that 609 or 610. Look at that rejection on Tiva. That's looking nice right there. It's really having trouble getting down below these 87s, 85s here. The support is acting really hard. We've had one attempt, two attempts, somewhat of a third attempt here. We wanted to kind of hold here, hold these levels, and then break down here. It hasn't really gotten that momentum to break down and get into these 80s. It's a lot of shares have been traded between 90 and 85. I can tell you that. Alright, pushing up to our level here. Let's see if it rejects 91s here. We're going to be paying attention to the next opening 1 minute candle. When that 1 minute candle opens, we don't want it to go back above that last high. We want it to start making a move down to these 85s, and that will show confirmation in the trade. About 15 seconds for the next minute candle. It's going to be very important. Where this next candle opens up. There goes that next candle, opened up and went down below it. Looks great. Don't want it back up here really. Now we've gotten this down move. We've got this consolidation down here. We want it to kind of break down here. Up here it gets into the iffy stage. Alright, don't want it back above this 92, guys. Want it to reject 92 here. Alright, don't want this over 20.95 here. Thinking about maybe taking an ad here at 20.94. There's MBEV with a little bounce. Alright, that looks great for me. I think right now is when we're going to get our ad here at 94s. Missed it by a second there. Showed it for a second on the bid. Pulled it away from me. Alright, right here is it. Missed it there again. Got slammed down there. Alright, I have my order out there to add at 94. Order out there to add. This looks like it's going to test that 95 before it wants to break down. Alright, breaking down there. Put in an order to add 200 shares at 92. There comes the breakdown, guys. Willing to add if it comes back to this. Looking for a little bounce to get filled here at 92, 91s. Get my ad, start making money. Start making some good money in this trade. I've already taken $13 off. Had a $44 loss today, but a nice $72 winner on I. Looking for this back. Looking for this pushback to go ahead and get filled on. Add to my position, then look for that nice big winner. There's 90s. Look for those 90s to slip on up. Get to 93 on the ask, 92 really quickly on the bid. Fill me in there. I'll have full sizing, 400 shares. I'm in there from 2104, so it'll bring me down to probably 2095 or 2094, and I can go ahead and risk off of this 2095 and look for this move down to get a nice big winner. There's 91s. Just need a little bit bounce more and I get filled here. There's 92s. I'm up there on the ask there, trying to get filled there at 92, but not getting filled. I'm gonna cancel the order here. Now it's at 92. It's all back by 94 here, guys. Gotta be careful here. All right. Willing to take my ad right there at 95. All right, now I'm at 20.99.05, so 21 will be my out, guys. 21 is my out. Don't want it actually above these 96 here. 98 is that breakdown, that last breakdown. I could stay to this 21, but probably 99s will get me out, or 21s will get me out. If it goes above 98s, I'm going to just close it out, guys. There's 98s. Texas boy. Just gotta watch this right here, guys. Don't want to see anything run through there. Gotta be tight. Finger on the trigger here. Alright, right back down. Let's see if it gets down below 95s here. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see 98s roll through there, then 20.99s. Be careful here, guys. Could make a move back to VWAP. Need this to come back down under 95 on this one. What's going on, beginner? You're back, bud. What's up? How we doing, John? Just working hard here on Tiva. Took it up at the VWAP. 2104 was my original entry. Taking some profit. I added to this. All right, there's 20.99s here, guys. If I see anything roll through on my time and sales, I'm just going to take it out. There's 95s, right back down to 95s. I don't want to see anything up there. I'm not going to lose on this trade. I've already taken $13. Regardless, it's going to be a positive trade. But holding to my break-even point right now. There's 99s. If I see anything roll through, I'll just hit the out button, guys. Like I said, I came back, guys, just to show you guys the transparency in the trades. Definitely want to show you guys all my trades and be able to show you that so that you guys can take advantage. There's Tiva rejecting those 21s. That's what I'm really trying to see it do. If it rejects those 21s, we should be looking good if it comes right back down. All right, there's 97s going through on the bid there. Don't want to see 20.99s and then 21s to slide through there. We'll just have to get out. There's 98s. Be careful, the 99s are coming. It rejected 99 there. Alright, rejecting down. Back to 96, 97 there, guys. I have 400 shares there, guys, at $20.99. I wanted to get back below these 95s here. There you go. That's the move I wanted to see there, guys. Now, definitely 21's my out. If I wanted to, I could add to risk somewhere in this 20.97, so my shares would go to 20.98 or 20.96. But I don't want to risk profits on this one, so I'm holding to right now where I said 21's my out here. Want to see this get right back down below, and this can get crushed back down. I think I made a nice add there, guys. I added there at 20.95, giving me the ability to go down to 20.99. All right, just don't want to see this get bottomed up and get back over 21 here. There you go, right back down to 94. That's looking good. Looking good for us. Any bounce up here, I could add and then look for a big trade. Alright, just don't want to see it get back above 21s here. This bounce here needs to stay underneath probably 20.98. If not, it'll test that 20.99 and then we could get above it. What we want to see is it reject right here 98s, not get above it. Here comes 98s, and they got smack rack right back down. 98s again. Right here, guys, is when you only got to focus on what matters to you. And that's if 99s roll through and 21s. There's 99s. Got to be careful here, guys. '98's going through there. Alright, 97 by 98 here, guys. Don't want this in the 99s here. Nice rejection of 98s. Let's see if we can get right back down to the low 90s here. Just got to be careful as it's slowing down here, and it's slowing down at the wrong time. I'd like to slow down on the bottom side, not the top side here. There you go. That's a nice flip around. Nice flip around there. Just got to make sure it doesn't get back above 21 here, and it should give it a nice little push down here. There's 5,000 shares there at 20.98. Just got to be careful here. What I like about this trade is I set myself up at such a good price that I'm able to stay in through all this and give myself a chance to make a really big gain on this stock. If this stock does break down, we should get right back down to those 2070s. Big key moment here. Keeps rejecting 2099 every single time. Be careful, 1500s just went through there on the ask. 10,000 shares went through there at 98. I'm really got to be careful here. Just don't want to see it get to that 21s. There's 2099s. Let's see if anything gets filled there. Seeing nothing get filled. Gotta be careful here. Alright, that looks good for us now. Let's see if we can get back down to these 95s now. Not back into 2099s. Alright, there's 2099s. They're going through. I'm out. 21s on that. I'll take it, guys. Be out of here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Finish the day up. Probably around, what do we got? $39. $39 on the day. Looking beautifully, guys. Double your winners and your losses. As you guys can see, I had 2 losses there on ITUB. Doubled up. Got some nice profit there. $72 on that I trade. I probably could have held it longer. It did stop me out again when it came back to this test again after it broke down. But as you can tell, this stock is still breaking down, looking good. This stock is hard to trade. It's not an easy trader, but I've nailed it now 2 days in a row and was able to nail it over here when it bounced off of this 33.17. Shorting here at 33.07, risking off of this 33.16. 10-cent risk. Was looking for this move down. Sold some at 33. Then broke down and I sold some more here at 87. Final sell was over here in the 70s. It's a great trade for today. I'll go ahead and I'll take that and just keep on moving forward, guys. 8 straight days green. 8 straight days green now. And just keep pushing with the account forward. That's what we need to do. Today we did take some losses, but I was able to focus. It's my day where I'm able to trade for a lot longer period. And because of that, was able to come out of the market a winner today. Control your risk to reward. Exactly what we're going to be going over our class today. Is controlling the risk to reward is what got me to being positive today. Alright, you guys, like always, don't forget, join beginner trading. We got a new website, new courses out there for you right now. It's really a group mentor chat where we can get together with other traders and really more focus in on actual specifics of trading and really just get you up to the par level that we are. Like always, I'm going to be here for you guys 24/7. You guys can always reach out to me, outcometrading@gmail.com. And I'll continue going. I'll see you guys tonight. Those are the guys that are part of our classes. And looking forward to it. Take care, guys.